In this video, you will learn how to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issue on Android. Many people experience this problem and it can be very frustrating. When you can't see available networks, connecting to the internet becomes difficult or impossible. But don't worry, I will go through some simple steps to help you fix this issue. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down to find General Management. Tap on it to proceed. Next, scroll down again until you reach the bottom of this menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Reset. Tap on that. In this section, select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. After tapping this option, tap Reset Settings to confirm your choice. This will reset all network settings related to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth without deleting any personal data from your device. After completing these steps, check if your Wi-Fi name is now visible. If it's still not showing up, don't fret, there are more troubleshooting methods available. Open up the settings. Scroll all the way down again until you see Developer Options. If developer options aren't already enabled on your device, a link is pinned in the comments below that leads to a detailed tutorial explaining how to enable developer options step by step. Once developer options are enabled, tap on it. Inside developer options, tap on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. And type in Wi-Fi scan throttling. When you find it listed below, tap on that option. You should now see a toggle switch next to Wi-Fi scan throttling. Make sure this switch is turned on. After enabling Wi-Fi scan throttling, it's time for a quick restart. First, restart your Android device by holding down the power button and selecting Restart. Then also restart your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it from power for about 10 seconds before plugging it back in. A simple reboot can often fix connectivity issues by refreshing network configurations. Once everything powers back up, check again if your Wi-Fi name appears. And there you have it. Following these steps should help resolve any issues with your Wi-Fi name not showing up on your Android device. If problems persist after trying all these methods, or if you've found success using other techniques not mentioned here, share those tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.